Can you share that picture with me? Have you seen this video? Haven't we all been in a situation where we quickly wanted to share files with someone but couldn't? Tools used, size or number of files often are the limiting factors that keep us from successfully sharing files or folders with our family, friends or audience. Sharing has been made easy with Workplace Drive. Now you just decide what you want to share and with whom. Choose a folder with pictures or a few documents and add a personal note. It just takes a few clicks. An email with your message and link to the files will be sent. Your friend can choose when to access the files you sent them. Now there's no need to deal with super large emails clogging up your inbox or large attachments delivered to your mobile devices. Workplace. Sharing made easy.